Listen up. This might sound crazy at first, but without a timetable, you are actually wasting your life away. Just picture it this way. Most games that you have played in your life have an objective. They have an actual mission you need to complete in order to feel that sense of progression. They also have like a bar, right, of experience that you keep leveling up. The thing is, without an objective and without a timetable, that which would be like the diary that you got in your RPG or whatever, knowing which tasks to perform every single day to achieve the next level you want to achieve, the complete the mission you want to complete. Bro, if you don't have those things, you are like a ship just drifting away in the ocean. You have no idea where you are going, and you have no idea of how to actually get there. You got no map, no compass, you got nothing. And then you wonder, damn, why didn't I become a millionaire? I'm 30 already and I'm still broke. No girls like me. I have no status. I am fat. I don't have the body I want. I don't have the life I want. No wonder, motherfucker. How did you expect those things were going to happen? Did you were expecting that were a ship was going to randomly just mm, take port in, I don't know, Bristol in England, if he didn't know where the fuck he was going? Doesn't make any sense. It just doesn't. So how do you expect to get to the place you want to go if you don't know what's your destination, if you don't know what's actually the steps you need to take every single day in order to achieve that? So I'm going to streamline it for you very, very simply so you do not get yourself lost. First thing you would really need to do is to build up your affirmations. Why? Because affirmations are going to plant a seed on your unconscious mind. I got a Notion template right in the description. It's entirely for free. Just go through it and you will learn how to get into identity shifting for beginners, because it's really easy. And that's the root of your habits. So you go into that and you will learn exactly how to do affirmations, not like some random white rich girl or whatever. I'm teaching you the way men do it, the way you can actually make progress in your life. You will start craving those hard tasks you really want to do deep down. You will stop being a pussy about it. You will stop procrastinating on them. You will actually feel the drive to start doing it then. The next step to ensure that you are doing the things is to build your timetable. Include your habits, the habits you want to do. For example, you want that body, right? You want the 10 out of 10 body. You need to get in the gym, right? You need to train your muscles. You need to do sprints to keep a low body fat percentage, and you need to start eating right. But let's not go into too much depth right now about getting into the gym. You just get into the gym and do whatever. You just need to show up to make some progress, because you're random spurg and you're not doing anything, just playing video games or whatever. Stop just wasting your time and fucking around. This is the time to start making progress in real life. Why the fuck would you jump into GTA San Andreas or something and make that gunbanger, that virtual gunbanger, like a strong man, taking him to the gym, making him eat his calories or whatever, instead of doing it with yourself, bro? It's all right. It's going to take more than just a couple of days playing the game. It's going to take months, but months are going to pass anyways. So stop being so dumb. You are smarter than that. Stop falling for instant gratification. Understand how instant gratification versus delayed gratification works. Instant gratification will bring you depression in the long run. It might feel good right now, but it's an addiction loop. Delayed gratification is not only going to make you feel good in the long run, though it's going to make you feel bad right now, but also on top of just making you feel good in the long run, also is going to get you what you want. It's going to get you progress, which will make you feel even better still. So it's just dumb to go for instant gratification. It just doesn't make any sense. I know your monkey brain thinks it's the best option because we are like these unevolved creatures still sometimes. Stop being driven by your lower base desires. You are better than that. And like I said, build your timetable with your habits, working out, meditating, reading. I'm going to keep repeating this every single fucking day until it gets drilled into your skull. But yeah, man, you need to do those things. And those are the foundations of your mental well being, of your physical well being, and of your spiritual well being. And once you got that foundation solid enough, you can move on to build your own purpose, to build your own business, to build. Once you got those things ready, and once you are expanding your mind, expanding your knowledge, you can do whatever, anything. You have become already a player. If you are playing the game of life, then you know exactly how many stupid ass fly, how many things you can actually do with your life. You can do whatever. You know now that everything comes down to practice, progress, deliberate practice, understanding. Everything comes down to the three meta skills. The three meta skills are practice, reflection upon your practice, and theoretical knowledge applied to the practice. Everything links back to the practice. And that's how it is. And that's how it is, yes. So yeah, basically, this is the video today for you. I hope you got I hope you understand this, man. And I hope you actually apply it because you need to stop being a fucking NPC. You need to come back to the real world. You need, and I'm not meaning Andrew Tate's educational platform. You need to go back to being a real player. You can do anything in this world. You just gotta set the mission for yourself. Trust me, you can do literally, you can be a rapper, you can be a singer, you can be a rock star, you can be anything, you can be a weightlifter, you can be absolutely anything, a YouTuber. Just pick, look for whatever inspires you, and you don't have to stay on one thing for the rest of your life. You can try something, get abilities from it, get better at it, and then jump to other thing. No, I'm not giving you an excuse to jump from thing to thing, so do not cope about it. I'm telling you, stick to something for at least 100 days. Then you'll know if you really want to do that. And the best thing about it is that you everything that you start anew is going to be really fucking hard. But the thing that you're going to stick to it is actually the thing that you see the value in it. Not the thing that you feel good about it, not the thing that you feel passionate about it by doing it. The process is going to suck at the beginning always. You're only going to fall in love with the process when once you get like to a certain level in which you feel that flow state by doing it. Only then you can actually start enjoying that thing. But to get to that level, you first need to understand in your mind that this is really important. You need to give value to it. You cannot do something just for money, because when you do something just for money, you are going to end up burning out and you're not going to enjoy the process. So you'll never be great at it. To be great at something, you got to do it for something else than just money. You got to do it because you want to help people, because you feel identified with those people, because those people were exactly like you in the past, or were, let's say, like somebody that it was really important for you and you perhaps couldn't help, and now you can help that person through thousands of people that you can try to help in that exact same manner. And you see how it all comes together, your past, your present, and your future, how you can construct this amazing story for your life. Build a story that you feel proud of living. Build a story that you actually feel inspired by. And you can build it. You can sit down and just write it down, and you will see how it comes into reality if you just stick to it. Write down exactly the habits you need to do to accomplish the things that you actually want, and you'll see how your plan comes to fruition. Do not tell anybody your plans, pussy. Just listen to me. Write it down, drill it into your mind, use it into your affirmations, practice every single day what you want to do, what you preach to your unconscious mind, and it will come into reality. Do that. Stop being a fucking pussy. I'll see you in the next one.